Welcome back to the Genesis tutorial. So this is a part 15 video of the series, and let's continue the questions and answers. Question 71: What three types of call recordings are used by Genesis Cloud CX? I'll repeat the question one again. Question number 71: What three types of call routings are used by Genesis Cloud CX? Option A: inbound, outbound, internal. Option B: standard ACD, police and preference. Option C: IVR, ACD, and queued. So here I have added the snippet for the analysis and the which help to understand. Genesis Cloud offer following routing methods: standard, predictive, boolean, and preference. So we have to select which one: standard, boolean, and preference. So this is the correct answer for our question 71. So let's continue. Question number 72: Which statement is a true regarding the chat room in a Genesis Cloud? And we have to choose a true. Okay, let's. This is the we have to choose two statement. Okay, true for chat room. So option A: notification can be turned off per room. Option B: there is a maximum 50 users to the room. Option C: you must have the room user permission to use rooms. Option D: administration assign people to the room. And option E: a chat room can have a maximum 1000 participants. So you can see here, chat room have a maximum numbers of 1000. So this is the one correct option. And I will suggest you, if you want to go to the documentation, you will see this one, because this part you need to some long passage. But notification can be turned off the rooms. We can apply these settings for a chat room also. So this is the A and E is the correct choice for this question. These others B, C, D is not the good choice for this question. Okay, let's continue. Question number 73: What should you do when user leave your organization to maintain high level of security in a Genesis Cloud product? This is a really great question. Obviously, it's a kind of security level, or it's a kind of maintain the high level security for the cloud or telephony platform. So what can you do? First, reset the user password. So if user leaves, why you will reset the password? This is not good choice. Rename the username. This is also not suitable. And C and D, let's see. Set the user inactive for 30 days. Okay, then delete the user. And option D says create a role for former users and add a user to the role. See, it's not a good one. Why? See here, set a user in inactive when the user is expected to be out for extended periods, such as a leave or personal or reasonable employment. Then we can inactive. See here, it's a setting have clearly mentioned reactivate, deactivate, something kind of. So here this is the reason, or this is the option. It's a suitable. Set the user for inactive for 30 days, and then we can delete it also. So this is the good choice. So we can go with this one. This question, option. Let's continue next. Question number 74: What additional functionality does Communicate bring to the Genesis Cloud? This is basic functionality we have to know. So obviously Genesis have a different kind of what we can say, it's a flavors, communicate, architects, something like collaborators. So these kind of flavors Genesis Cloud brings in the telephony platform. So they are asking for additional functionality does communicate. So communicate, it's a telephony. So you can see and go through this. So option 4 they have given, we have to select one from this 4. So this B is suitable. Why? It's a communication features, unified communication features, telephony, unified communication. Here also you can see communicates offer telephony service for handling phone calls in organization. Genesis Cloud telephony connection features, and what kind of voicemail, conferencing, call recording, transfer, extensions. So so these everything's come under the unified communication. So that is the reason we will select this one. This is the best choice for this question. Direct capability is called such as ACD. Will everything is come under here, guys. So this is the best one. There are so many. It's not only ACD or script, telephony, unified communication, voice conferencing, attendant. So this is everything is combined. So we'll select this one. Okay, next. Why? What process for configuring Genesis Cloud CX Collaborator has 6 major steps. So earlier we saw the communicate, architect, and this is collaborator. So 6 major steps we have to showcase. 6 major steps. So they have given this much option. I have also added the snippets this one. So it says configure. We have to configure what major step organization. So here organization we can select. Then configure the location. Okay, location is also good choice. Why? You can see here location. Then add user to the, so users, yes, we require users and groups also. It's not only the groups. So we'll go with this one. Okay, and the peoples also will come. So add users to the organization, this is also will, there is a possibility. So we can select groups, sorry, add users to the organization, assign roles and permission, this is also possible. Groups also possible. 1 2 3 4 5. And documentation sharing, this is also good. Phone management is not here. See here also you can see, go through organization, people, role, groups, then locations and document sharing. So these are the 6 atoms we have to select. So this one, A, B, C, D, E and G, this is the 6 option we will choose for this questions, and we'll continue. Thanks. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt on this tutorial, please comment on it. I'll continue it. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.